Who'd have thought that pancakes made with quinoa, chia seeds and milk could taste so good? Healthy quinoa and chia seed stuffed pancakes with Tipiak. Let's start by soaking 1 bag of quinoa in a bowl with water overnight. Fast forward to the next day. Water, chia seeds, mix together and soak for 45 minutes. So let's make the pancake batter. We've got the quinoa seeds, the soaked chia seeds, milk. Let's blitz together. Let's fry into pancakes. So pancakes are ready. Are you ready for the fillings? Option 1, cream cheese, smoked salmon, avocado, soft boiled egg and spinach. Option 2, light mayonnaise, pesto, ham, mozzarella, parmesan and basil. Delicious quinoa and chia seed pancakes stuffed with all your favorite fillings. You must give these a try.